of all, as I said, let's begin with something very basic. We all have been in the education field since so many years now. But have we ever thought deeply or even precisely what is education? I want you to share your ideas of education. What is meaning of education? What is purpose of education?
Sir, in simple terms, it would mean that education is a process which basically begins from our birth and it continues till the lifetime. In simple terms, if I have to put it.
Okay. Anyone else? Right.
Which helps us to understand life and make decisions according to experiences we have.
Right. How many of you are familiar
Logically
with this?
evaluate,
Yeah, please speak, ma'am.
logically evaluating situations and then acting out accordingly.
Right, very right.
It can be precisely a learning process which enables us to make experiences and learn out of experiences also.
Absolutely. What is education? Generally, education is confused by many people with terms like literacy, qualification, training, development. Is it same as them, any of them or all of them?
No.
No.
It may include everything, but not specifically only literacy or only
blend.
qualification.
Absolutely.
It's a
blend
blend,
and
but
much
not specifically this, right?
Right,
and much
absolutely.
more.
So let's first of all understand what we mean by these terms. Then we can decide whether the education is same as them or not. Literacy simply means the ability to read and write any language with understanding. And that, I think, a child develops that ability till second or third class only. So becomes literate by then. Qualification has different levels. Qualification means different levels up to which a person has studied. Okay. Primary is one level of qualification, middle is another, secondary, then senior secondary, then graduation, post-graduation, MPhil, PhD, and so on. So these are different levels of knowledge that a person has gained and given an exam and got a certificate in or a degree in. That is qualification basically. So qualification mainly relates to knowledge. Training is improving the skills of a person in a particular area, specified area. Whereas development is training in all spheres, overall personality development. Now again we come back to the same question, is education any of these? Not exactly, as you said. Now to further clarify this, I generally narrate a story. There is rainy season और एक डॉक्टर साहब अपने घर से निकलते हैं फॉर हिज क्लिनिक सुबह एंड ही observes that his car has a flat tire. So now he calls a rickshaw because clinic is just around 2-3 kilometers away from home. So he sits in the rickshaw and instructs him to take to his clinic. Around the same time, another person, a highly qualified engineer, is also on his way to office in his car, and he passes by the rickshaw at a high speed, and there was muddy water on the road, कीचड़ था रोड पे, और he throwing that muddy water on the rickshaw puller and the doctor, he just speeds away. Now the doctor is furious. He starts hurling abuses, this and that. You don't know, stupid man. Sara din barbad kar diya. What will I do now? And he goes on and on and on. The rickshaw puller, who is an illiterate person, who does not even know how to read and write any language, he is quietly pulling the rickshaw all this time. After some time, the rickshaw puller says very calmly, साहब छोड़िए ना, बेवकूफ आदमी था, चला गया, कुछ कर तो सकते नहीं, वो तो सुन भी नहीं रहा आपकी बात, आप अपना खून क्यों जला रहे हो, छोड़ो, भूल जाओ. Now, in this story, whom will we call as educated?
Rickshaw puller.
The rickshaw.
Rickshaw puller.
Absolutely. Although he is not even literate, leave behind qualification, he is not even literate. So this brings out the true idea of education in our mind. So what is education? Education is the wisdom of difference between right and wrong. उस रिक्शा पुलर को इलिटरेट होते हुए भी इतनी समझ है कि जिस सिचुएशन में आप कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते, उस पे क्रिब करने से क्या होगा, आप क्रिब कर करके अपना खून जला रहे हो, अपना बीपी बढ़ा रहे हो, यूजलेस है, वो अपना चुपचाप रिक्शा चलाया जा रहा है. और वही एडवाइस उसने डॉक्टर साहब को भी दी जब देखा वो लगातार क्रिब करते ही जा रहे हैं. ठीक है. The wisdom of knowing the difference between right and wrong and the wisdom to follow the right path. That is, in very simple terms, that is education. Then what else is education about? Education develops a logical and rational mind and imparts qualities of character and understanding. Education is comprehensive and includes training and development. Training and development are just a part of education. Education is the process of facilitating learning or the acquisition of right knowledge, skills, values, beliefs, and habits